People sometimes say you can sue anyone for anything in the U.S., and this lawsuit brings that to mind. A fan from Georgia is suing the NFL for emotional distress and violations of the Antitrust, Civil Rights, and Consumer Protection Acts based on Shedeur Sanders' fall from the NFL draft from the first round being projected to go there to actually being drafted in the 5th round. Plaintiff John Doe filed his lawsuit, but will it go anywhere or will it be dismissed when the NFL motions for dismissal? Now, it's important to remember that you need standing or a significant connection to and harm from whatever conduct has been alleged. The Supreme Court has a 3-part test for standing. 1, injury in fact. You suffered an injury in fact, meaning there was legal harm that happened or is imminent. 2, a causal connection. The conduct is what injured you or is about to injure you. 3, redressability. That it is likely that a favorable decision will remedy whatever harm or injury. So let's see. Based on the article, does this plaintiff have standing? 1, an injury in fact. These are underlined in red. It looks like he's trying to check the injury in fact box by claiming that as a dedicated Colorado Buffaloes fan that closely followed Sanders for his 2 seasons there, that he experienced emotional distress and trauma injuries as a fan and a consumer. 2, a causal connection. Now these are underlined in blue. It can be directly related or indirectly related in causing the injury. Here he lists the injury in conduct was the NFL's reports, leaked statements, slanderous statements, and violations of antitrust, civil rights, and consumer protection laws, which created this narrative that unjustly harmed Sanders' reputation, which in turn, indirectly, caused injury to the plaintiff as a fan and consumer. 3, redressability. These are in green. Here the plaintiff is seeking the following. He wants the NFL to acknowledge that their acts and statements caused emotional distress. He wants a retraction of the statements with an apology for the harm caused. And he wants the implementation of fair drafting practices. So based on that Supreme Court 3-part test, does this plaintiff fan, do they have standing?